Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Wednesday the 22nd of November 2017. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes, price moves to be aware of. Once again, I'll just flag a few points. Cable finishing the day strongly yesterday, 132.60 shortly before we came on air, so hanging on to those gains and actually increasing over the course of Tuesday. The biggest move on the day and indeed the week, the Mexican peso, a move of 2.39%. In that one, we'll have a look at the chart of the peso in a moment. Dollar index back below 94, 93.85 trading. And Bitcoin, 11.7% to the good, irrepressible it seems, and back at $81.51 per coin shortly before we went live. Okay, Mexican peso rebounds on NAFTA hopes, if I can say that this early in the morning. And you can see here solid gains from the peso against the dollar, testing back towards the 50-day EMA and the 200-day line just below that. One to keep an eye on, obviously predicated by the success of renegotiation NAFTA. We'll see what happens there, of course, in the coming weeks. Right, what's on the calendar today? Events that may move the markets. It's a lightish calendar, but still some events worth paying attention to. First of all, we've already had construction work done for Q3 data out of Australia. And to come later today, we will have Philip Hammond's autumn forecast statement, which is in effect a mini budget for the UK that will kick off around 12:30 UK time. And then in terms of additional data at 12 o'clock GMT, we'll have MBA mortgage applications for November. We'll have initial jobless claims out of the States at 13:30 and continuous jobless claims as well. This is early, of course, because of Thanksgiving holiday tomorrow in the States. At 13:30, we'll have US durable goods orders for October. And at 1500, the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index also for November. EU consumer confidence data out at 1500. Crude inventories in the US at 15:30 GMT. And perhaps the pick of the day, the FOMC minutes at 1900. If you're still in the market at 21:45 tonight, you can feast your eyes on New Zealand retail sales ex autos. Right, let's move along. Right, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye. First of all, Taiwanese equities have reached a 27-year high, led higher by moves in their tech sector. At the same time, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index has broken 30,000 for the first time in 10 years, so Asian equities booming at the moment, it would seem. Staying in Asia, or Asia Pacific, a 9th Australian politician has said she will have to resign over the dual citizenship debacle, this time a opposition senator. UK Chancellor Philip Hammond will deliver his UK budget today at Westminster, around 12:30 as already said, and Vladimir Putin hosts talks on Syria today with leaders from Turkey and Iran in the resort town of Sochi. Right, food for thought, something for you to take away into the trading day and think about this. UBS shares its 2018-2019 G10 FX forecast with us today, and the bank sees a benign combination of global growth, moderate inflation and gently rising interest rates. And you can see the forecasts over here, but it does see a weaker dollar, and in fact sharply weaker. As you can see, 91.50 and 88.20 are the forecasts from UBS for end 18, end 19 for the US dollar. Right, please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and FX on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks, please contact your Pepperstone account representative.